So, Hudson Herper here. I'm back at the Black Forest. It's been raining all day. The rain has settled a bit, but it's still drizzling, and I'm hoping maybe I can find some salamanders. Ringneck. I found this tiny northern ringneck snake under a log. It's starting to warm up now because of our hands, but it was very cold, so it didn't move, and I'm gonna put him back under his little rock. Bye bye, bud.
Bye.
Cool, first animal of the day. Nice. While I was off not finding salamanders, my girlfriend found this Ambystoma. I'm not too familiar with it. I believe it's a jeffersonanium, which is a Jefferson salamander. I'm not taught, so I'm gonna find out before I post the video, and I'll correct myself if I'm wrong. But it's my lifer. It's pretty cool. I didn't find it, so hopefully find another one. But hey, I'll take it, you know? Whenever I flip one and I see a big millipede, I always think it's a freaking ringneck. It's like, oh, no. Oh, cool. No, that's not cool.
Yeah.
That's it?
Let me see.
That's what you saw? It can be considerably smaller what you saw, though. This is a northern slimy salamander.
Yeah. Oh.
We're gonna let this slimy salamander go.
Ew. It's all sticky.
Yeah, no, it's gross. They're really gross.
What a cutie.
Yeah, they are cute, though. You go under your little rock, bud. It's not your
Did you
rock.
see it before me?
Yeah, I saw it. Just looking for salamanders, and I found this wood frog. Let him go. Pretty guy, really gray.
Show me him.
Girlfriend just found her third salamander of the day. Second slimy, has a short tail. Good job.
Under that rock.